Morning everybody. Today we are discussing the catenation or the self linkage in the 14th group. As I know that the catenation means it is the ability of an element to form the bond between its own atom to form the chain and ring or the infinite length of a organic or of a chain of a compound is known as the catenation. You know that in the 14th group the carbon is the first element and the carbon form the most of the catenation or the self linkage. We already know that the most of the organic compound consisting of the carbon chain. This is the best example for the catenation of the carbon. Similarly, silicon, germanium and tin, lead also form the catenation, but probability of the probability decreases. That means the bond between the carbon the energy for forming the bond between carbon is 354 kilojoule per mole. For the silicon it is 222, and germanium it is 167. For tin and tin it is 155, and lead it is 87. So the catenation ability is influenced by the range of the steric and electrostatic influence and including electronegativity of the element which is under the consideration. So the most probability for the catenation in the 14th group is the carbon. Now the next topic is the allotropy. Allotropy means it is the different form of the same element in the same physical state, but they are exist in the different variety. For example, carbon have 4 allotropic form which is in the crystalline structures, that are the graphite, diamond, fullerene and graphene. See here, the first picture is the graphite, that is the pencil lead, and the next one is the diamond, the third one is the fullerene, C60 fullerene, and the next one is the graphene. Graphene means it is the only the single layer of the graphite and which is the most transparent and having the conductivity, and there is no band gap for the graphite, and the band gap is 0 for the graphene, so it is most conductive. Next is the plumbosolvency. Plumbosolvency means it is the ability of the lead to react with the dissolved oxygen in the water. So that's why the lead react with oxygen in the water to form the lead hydroxide, which is soluble in water. So this ability of the water to containing air to dissolve the lead is known as plumbosolvency. So this is the major problem while we are distributing the water, while we are supplying the water in leaded pipes. Okay, thank you.